ye mamunina akwaba eba Pako TV so. Me amegyina he ye femi na nama. Ene wo sha ye wala tema mu ye ahunsesie kaka ewo ye nkro mu. E pese ye nkro no emu ete. Ene holiday enso ene ye adwen se ebesiesie ye nkro mu. Picnic day ye dia ye ahunsesie. Inti se o hye mechi ha se ya eno an ye gusu eye inti ye bekọ na ya hye nkofo ne nkofo ba ko mienu bi akasa na yetie omano mu ensem se nya ekoso wa hai ahunsesie na ye no ekoso sen inti ye kọ omumu ne ye ne won akwa kasa. Okay, it's Siano me call nipa ba you know na me ne no akwa kasa. Mami, it's yo. O sha di me din na say kronim na yesiesie ekose. Ekoye pa. Oni ma tse. Ma kronim atse. Emu aye say, ama kronim atga ho. O kwa ba obaga se ele bi ankasa. Ele picnic it hadn't never say mu besiesie kronim. Oh, and say no ya yat what I say ye kronim. E mu ga ho. E mama fo so ka mo ka se kronim mo tse. Then ya just say you to the bench ya be say. Ama go na koso. Apo na nyamputu akoso eduma ne ade na you to the bench. And it's na ye to us say be green up exercise. Yo nyame nhira mo se mu di we aba kronim. Ebi nsi da. Do ebi esi bebre nso ne de asa ye tronko. Nyame nhira mo nyina. Yo.
Apom to say.
Osha latte kromi ne ya de say yes kro no sha say na eko.
Oh ekoyi.
Ekoyi pa o.
For you na ya de.
My ade nyame nham bebre.
Amen.
Ase kro ne mu ate pa, emu aye han.
Bibia ye be kwan no so na we kuma nyina atofom na bibia de.
Na mpacho ye frost we ye kwan.
Oh frame Kwaku Ahmed.
Kwaku Ahmed.
Yeah. Me a constituency organizer.
Oh, okay. And then my ade pa mama ye nkro ne emu ate. Ase ya ye fe pa nyame nham.
Amen. Ye baby you.
Mate. Good morning, Oda.
Good morning.
Pacha nyame adom nso e.
I radio adom ho ye pa.
Yo na nege hu se mu siesie ye nkro ni fefefe amayen. Ase kone mu ato, emu aye feyiye. Na ene day ase na ye holiday, mo aye madwe se mu besiesie. Kro no eye lateman no, sei na ohu ekro no efa.
Okay, ekro no mo de eda honom. Na sabika fra yeye amemufo a yeti Ghana hanom de na wo sisi ye mpotem na make sure say mpotem neat so na be ya so panyi bia ba no hu latte you say oh latte very neat so if you recall you start if you kubase runabout na ye de ba ahinase hanom say ye guso recall zongo na watch me obenhu say edu kubase no na katani mu nyina ye clean katani mu nyina ye tumia ayemu neat you do hanum name say lapses kakra wo but yeguso a ye ne ya organizer ele honorable Ahmed na yeguso a ye adwuma na in fact we coordinate eye pa ma ye we enjoy our work aditi MPP yeguso pa ye adwuma yeguso ye adwuma ye pese ye make sure say be break 8 no ti kwan bia e be fa so be break 8 no na ye nam so eti clean up exercise no part of our activities e be to e mobilize ye ho amayahwe ye strength e wo hanom e break 8
yo ya damasi bebre se ne de mayi ene de se mu de besiesie ekro no amaye nyame nhram bebre
yo eso be dance pass we interview no mama akwanya say metumi I express me ho na me de aseda soronko de ma honorable Samia Uku couple baby a obia no erade nhira e wo dwuma papa a wo ye no chema no mane wo de me waseda de mentumi da waseda de wo de mentumi da baby a obia chema no mane erade nhira onka ho ono nante na omma asumdwe a eye soronko honorable miami nua couple miami wo fase me wo fase yombu me nso eno de erade nhira no me de na se pa so mama sa
amen pacho na ye
friend Joseph Felix Abuaje yeah me day 2 chairman day 2 police station chairman me da se pa
nyame nhram babe amen nyame nhram. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacha prom to say.
Nyame adumo na nso e.
Nyame adom me hoye. Pacha ye from say.
Pacha ye from Mrs. Anabedi akọ.
Okay. I say na mai dey say be siesie kro no mu aye fe pa. Because ye ngata sa na echoki ni na no. Ni na asese nsu tumi fe ma ekoyiye. Eto sha kro ni say na wo hu ni sisi a.
O kro ni ma aye fe. Emu aye fe pa. MPP adaroma ya gada ye ho na ye siesie ye kro no. Ekro ni ye nyina ye dia but MPP ma ene yetu ye hu agina ho a yeri ye se adwuma ama kro ni ma aye fe.
Yo ya da se pa nyame nhram bebre na ne amode be dia afa koi mu bia enkoso
Amen.
nyame nhram no ye mo kesa good morning o upon to say ya na won su nyame adom me hoye ene hoye dey say besiesie kro no na say ye she kro no emu aye fe pa because na ha say baby bebre ya baba bola wo ho gata se choki aso ene ye nwie mponi kro na ye den aye fe it o sha kro no say na wo hu ne fa ene de lata aye sro no ko lata aye fe yiye wusi kro no ma be wusi yiu lata ya ye clean up exercise nne ya ma kro no ma atso ama na ye fe eti na dua yi lata aye sro no kokra ewo mira etwa mu nyina yi ya kasa mitumi pass ne latamai aye fe pa ene eye holiday o se ye yi se na edwesiese kro no nyame nhram bebre nyame nhram abacha ye frost acho ye fra me Ernestina Ofe me ye women organizer ewo Methodist Chapel Square yo nyame nhram man abacha ye frost Servant Gloria, Leako. I said, a man say what prapa, or try architect, man say what pra. Yo, that's saying I won't hear from if I go live. I have a fair set. I never cost I, the end could say, I mean, say, yeah, so that's here. I'm not my own day, yo, after the same, I miss one more, they know it's my that good morning, no.
Good morning, I say.
Yamiadum, me when patchon say.
Miss me
Yo, patcho, in the muy in the day said, Bessie chrono. You say chrono, papa. Yamin shram, and so. Namosha, chrono, saying a muhunefa. Ah, yes, saying as see our own hunefa.
Oh, chrono, ya need you chrono, muntini at chrono, until Bibiru Cosne, Koya. I say, in Ayaka and Hubum, near CC chrono, Intina Yaka and Abum, MPP. Yen Yao Cray Basao, Yabayani. I'm a OPM who said yes, chrono, and I Kumas.
Yamin shram, baby, because a holiday. You see, ye die said, Bessie, young crew, I'm a crone emuatso. Yamin shram, no yamukas, and I'm patcha first say.
Oh, a friend, Mediana Pagujo, me abro for dinner, war frame and a Pagujo. By Median Casade, Emmanuel Edufu, Abraqua, by Paguja, no be a friend. You must have
Pacho, Yamin shroud, sell the Yamin shroud, sell the one who didn't I say Jimmy. Now, Pacho, oh, yeah, dang, MPP constituency.
Me organizer or Plaza polling station.
Okay, organizer or plaza. Okay. Yamin shroud be brain. Now, all money out shedding nano, emblem. And now, all my one day, and Yamima one day. Now, I first say, wait to me, they are here a juma. If you Yamin shroud me.
Amen. Amen.
I mean, why interview?
Good morning.
Hello,
What are your first saying?
your friend me Ernest Kwapon.
As me who say why a juma, and I say what bre. Pacho say Osha, ne de ye, ne de said, Bessie chrono. I'm a chrono my fee. Osha say now who chronis here.
Oh, nyame adom ene mo ahofama ene nkaboma nyina de abomu eye adwuma we no mehu se sisi ekrom ayefe na ahokeka sonko a party for obia de ne ho agim kromafo a omoso eda dwene party ne ho no mo party ne ho do no obia nso de ne ho ahyemu ma adwuma na ekoso kama pa.
Yeda mo so ase se mo anya hoden na mo de abeboa adwumen amalate kro ne emu atu yiye pa nyame hwa mo bebre na onye mo kesen so
Menso medase
yo mpacho medase yo ya make yo etie for yeda so ewo live ewo Paco TV eso na nya yeda so live ewo Paco TV so na ye free kuba se na ye bedu ahena ase ye wa park no ano eho Methodist JHS park no eho na ye sremo etiefo ye guso prapra ye prapra na ye hihye enwura ene gates biara echoki bia ye wuru emu nti osha ye mame mu eguso shinra yin papa mu so guso sisa enwura biara a ewo okreimu na ne kan se nyame enhwam bebre se mo hwe Paco TV live nyame nhwa mo
ayiko una egboite be wona kede lele kura tele una kede se hi nete me ebe ni bo inekope una kede bo una mo abe ne mranti ne nkasibia nenso wa mo pe ye jete etokwele eni kura ntete lete we are noted be eni kura ntete bo fio ebre efu menfe amoye lete kurute bo fio anso una ke fi asia ekete mala ne yam no na nchu no na yire na mo no na so betintua
ɛne ne wo nkpɛn onyame Israel ɛtiefo hwɛ yɛn papa yi a ɛwɔ ha sei a ɔse adwuma a yɛayɛ ɛwɔ kurom yi yɛabrɛ nti wama yɛn nsu sɛ yɛnkyɛ ɛma obi biara enya bi nyame nhyira bebree da nyame nhyira na ɔma ahoɔden na yɛn nso yɛkɔ akɔkyɛ nsu na ama wɔn yo na ɔmo de ayɛ adwuma
ma ne yɛ a day's wonder wo mu a mo yɛ lata yenum sɛ kuro no mu te deda mo nto aso mo obi ankamfo kuro no sɛ nea omu nim no why
Pacho yo yes yɛda ase pa nyame nhyira bebree Pacho ɛte sɛ nyame adom yɛ ho yɛ o hyɛ yɛn a nnɛ yɛayɛ adwuma bebree yɛn ho sɛ yɛbɛtwa mu na wo hyɛ yɛn paa nti sɛ dɛn na ɔwɔ ɛka kyerɛ yɛn youth yi ɛne yɛn papa Sami Ewuku ɛne yɛn youth yi dɛn na ɔwɔ ɛka kyerɛ yɛn
mini bebree ka na metumi aka ne sɛ ti na buma yɛ ntwan holiday ase so ho yɛ kuro yɛ efisuru besi ase mo pra kakra mo hunwura gata mu nyɛ yɛ nwura nkasa zim lawyer fo minim sɛ adwuma no ɛda so hɔ na ɔmo nyi obodwuma yi so mo ɛwo wɔ hɔ nko ade a ɔsɔ mbɔ mo ne mo nan ɛyɛ abreni abria ɔmo pra na ekuro mu enye nit ba yɛn papa nso asɛm ba kɔ na ka kyerɛ ne sɛ sɛnea ɔpɛ sɛ ɔboa mmeranteɛ no mmabaawa yɛn community ɔno nso yɛ good idea ɔbɛboa yɛn ama yɛn yɛn nsa no dwuma so ɔpɛ yɛn de ahyɛ baabi na ehia mo bi a na ne poma deɛ sɛnea wuhu yɛtumi akɔ n'ani na waboa yɛn ma yɛ dwuma atu pɔ yɛ bi kora small loan bi a yɛbɛtumi de aboaboa yɛn ho de ayɛ atɔ materials de akyerɛ yɛn mma no adwuma sɛ ɔyɛ saa deɛ ma ɔntwɛn holiday deɛ yɛ once in a year so on say try holiday dia just next year bi ansa na Easter Monday ebeba mesra no e o ma yehu no entie ni etimi abere me o hawo bi a etimi akasi
yo Auntie Kate yɛda wase paa sɛ ɔde afutu nso ama yɛn na yɛbɛma no nso ate ase nya waka nyinaa no yɛkɔ a yɛbɛka kyerɛ no na yɛda wo nso ase bebree sɛ ɔde yɛn adwene susu sɛ yɛbɛnkyɛn ɛmma holiday bi ɛmba ansa na yɛayɛ na yɛbɛkɔ so ayɛ mpontu adwuma yi a yɛgusu ɛyɛ nyame nhyira wo na ɔnyɛ ɔkɛse bebree
nso bɛda mo ase paa sɛ mo bɛn me na maka ne ɛwɔ makoma bɛda mo ase bebree aha yɛ
Abicat clothing okay nyame nhyira wo bebree Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho apom to say.
Me adumo.
Yɛdarade ase say na yɛn ho yɛ. Pacho na yɛyi ne day say besiesie yɛn kuro no ama ekuro na yɛfɛ. Na yɛbɛtwa mu yɛhu sɛ na wohwɛ yɛn paa. Pacho den na ɔwɔ ɛka kyerɛ yɛn.
Nyame nhyira mo paa na ene mo adwuma paa mo yɛ. Mo siesie kuro na ama yɛn sɛ na ba yɛn kuro no betu mpɔn na bɛyɛ yie ama yɛn. Ɛne nti nyame nhyira mo paa. Amen.
Pacho na yɛfrɛ say.
Mpacho yɛfrɛ Madam Mary.
Madam Mary. Yɛhu sɛ w'adwuma ha nso aha ayɛ fɛ paa.
Yɛde nyame ase. Prince of Peace.
Prince of Peace. So etiefo sisi yaba Prince of Peace. Madam Mary shop ano. Na nea ɔka ne sɛ nyame enhyira yɛn bebree sɛ ne dey. Yɛyi kuro yi mu sɛ yɛde ba besiesie ɛha sei. Na yɛ start fi Kuba ase ana yɛbedu Ahena ase. Bebi a me gyina me no kasa ɛyɛ Ahena ase. Na yɛbaayɛ Madam Mary sɛ yɛayɛ adeɛ yie paa. Na youth no yɛnkɔ so ara na yɛnsiesie ekuro no. Nyame nhyira wɔn bebree. Da good morning.
Morning.
Da Pacho yɛfrɛ say.
Pacho fẹ́ mi ọmọ ni. Pacho nso yẹ fẹ́ ọsẹ, ẹna o fi nfa.
Pacho me say yɛfrɛ me Nana Amamie Latini Bapa. Na Pacho ene yɛyɛ yɛagye sɛ besiesie kuro no ama emu ayɛ fɛ yie. Mehu sɛ wo kura wo rake a woyɛ wɔ adwuma. Mehu sɛ wabrɛ yie nso paa. Ombrɛ.
Me ba nche. Itu membrɛ. Wa afata nya yɛ boa. Na yɛ adwuma no wa.
Okay. Na Pacho o yɛ den ɛwɔ NPP constituency ni.
Me NPP constituency chairman.
Oh, okay. Nyame nhyira bebree sɛ da ɔmane. Odo ho ahyɛ adwuma yi mu.
One father na nka na yɛ fɛ me ọmọ ni sa no.
Oh, ne me na mko ba ma so.
Ani ade me yɛ ne chairman.
Yɛ no man yɛ fi.
Yo chairman Omane yɛda bebree sɛ wode ho ahyɛ adwuma yi mu ama adwuma yi ayɛ sonko ama yɛn kuro no emu atew yiye paa nyame nhyira mo na da wo hwɛ a wone youth no na ɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ ha sei na youth no so mo ho aho keka anyway no sɛn na ohu ne
papa we only ni consensus organizer so ha na say youth na ho keka wo ho uhu coordinators ne so mo ha so mo ha na say youth na keka enso ha uhu police station executives no mo ha omu nyina ha na say youth na keka e wo so eyen me ameba ha na be bibia me la kini edi say ye bibi na se me ba eyen party sem fia sem tra maba youth na ready say on better say party no ejina ho the baby nyina say dey ho kan ho ne ma party ni jina ho na dey pese MPP ni party aye ba ko a ye nyina aye sum e wo mantem ha the baby be ma party ni jina ne betimi aye na ye no na say make sure say ye bibia so ye okay it will do it we are ready until ye wa ha youth we are ready no so am ye youth ni ye nyina echi
nyame show bebree chairman Omane na nyame yɛ kɛse na munya ahoɔden ɛso
Asal na mempe baka
Ako pada mana ini? Kukudu. Chairman. One. It's Omane Mesa Bus. Aspect. And I am organizer. Sajad. Amedi. Yana betade afente kaja no. Amedi e damasi. Se mo de wani onyama beta e de bi magi ase. And then the day dikaya ye 2024 at a branch activity ase. Eti enye ele enye da ye sha se wi ne bo ye sha se dia to aso. Kukudu. Aha. Eti ya besre sani ayede ya homa ene no emre bia ya beto safre ya ho se ye beye dwumadie bi ema yenda MPP edi ewo ekromu ha no na ye nyina de ye ho ahye na ye pepepe nyame enhira mo nyina aben yo kasa mu ba ma chairman na so bika na waka na ade bakwa ye wo ya so ni se church of Christ go get higher roll call madam it is a see I roll call electoral area by electoral area higher attendance MPP and then like the mine year and yes a grano and yes a grano my child you like the 22 years I'm ready to a march chasing a life classroom. Some of school fees. I told the beer, Nippano, airport treasure to ground, or you're trying to buy one tip of one about as I was half of treasure. It is like a Nippia to make us a Nippia for the past 7 years. And your free SHS won't pass. It is saying your free SHS won't pass. I will plan this so. Nothing. I watch like a club of Bravo. You're not so anxious. Abaning your mind. Hello. Aha. It is your mind, a bank, a crack. It is a young dance here. ye mu se na tefo madodo a epese ko school ni nyina enya kwan ekọ ya sade ne se ye be hye won plan ye be hye won plan no wosua de na emfaso afri mu aba ya kwan no so nyamnya dom be de ba ma chairman oba chere na ye hwe ni mu se ya dan ye ti infantry party no wa emre bi mo na atetre for ye ko talk about mu ye ti o ye ko talk ansa na ye de atere kwala de edu baby ya na secondary schools and na emma district office and municipal office A4 sheet na ye check okwabman de ko regional officer na benkum de ko na PSDS de ko na nifa de ko A4 sheet na ye de be serve nipa keke and this time na aban etimi ma municipal education office na etimi ma A4 sheet etimi talk ese asitna kwa ema arifie ha nyoma dane ama nyoma aye fe ama eti ere eya bi ho aha eti moma ye ma ye ni emra ye ho so na ye hwe se ye be ma NPP ato na ne pa e wo etiri no bi aso ye nyina so be da mate
sebi you edisi ko ba o mi so mo ye da high NPP o mo ye yan prime mine you need to say our deficit we will do it we will fix it we will find a way to fix it. Thank you. Na say me and the chairman na mi nua me say ni no ya MC na mi nua peku Dennis Agwaje e ka ho a o ba mi a o na sami edi en kana ti mi aye bibi amenti wa service bi mi ti mi ba ka se me chairman bi mda eti bibi e be la ko fa obi so me ye dima na da chi ye be ye police station ze ye ti wa wa wo na be eti me sramo ejuma no a de bia yesi ye police station ze ti no acha se ne na be de say yen electoral area coordinator so de bia kan me ne mu beba ni ayese ejuma me de hana me de ye bia yesi ejuma no ye be ye ejuma no e se ya start ye ko say I started toilet more down where I started to continue. But you say, numbers near Cassette. Chairman Chrome, FC Chrome, then it's about the Chrome for 80 million increasing number will do it. And you been young. Nama boy in your say, Madam, some of our base.
Yeni aso yeni jese embreti awa mu munya some information ya mo de atika mo aba ne mo dia me de eye me ya kakra mi se na ye expectation me more see e benya ni pado don because you programming isu aduane yemani be let target ya about 300 to 500 ba nse nye adwuma no se da me chairman kan no ye nyina chairman kan no nye adwuma no duba bia din mumma me ye hwe se eduba bia couple ana samelifa asa na ye nyina ya behia dabi ese ye wala te krum na nkuya de ye pese ye bia ese obia fi opebam na nkoye se adwuma no metro afi biwa nse mfaso de September na ka bebre me wo me ba onya free maternity care wo for embrace me time so no nya one first free education I require intimate part no o ya me den manya so fa so o ya me den manya so fa so that time go am na me say clinic was o ko wa o be ma discount attack na isusa and I am for wasan na si ni de start attack by do say of say free start by na nti mi assure say obi ani Ghana ha obeka say MPP onya so fasile ana obi ani lata ha obeka say MPP onya so fasile me dem back school no me see ama me bi no fee afam praise
And last day, over the school open, teacher for the uncle, we do bear for this. Mammy, how many headmaster?
I tell you, the end of my wife.
Or you're late because of what started the way admission. When you're not fair fee, I found praise and back in sound. So when you're not fair pass, now what is school visa in Slovenia? From a walk from a banana, get it, I'm for it. So we 10. I'm for 10. It is a free education. Lot of them follow on your email. What's the baby? And this is the use of message. It's a why you use can wait 200, wait 300, wait 200. On your 1,008. I'm following the law, 10. Headmasters in one question. Headmasters say, I'm following 10. Also, one friend. Teachers now, housemasters, no, now I'm making up front. Many make about free education, no, it's on fast. One, any great school man, any great pan. It is so good. It's a different way, what's on Becca? Or let out, I over if you have to get 3 hours, man, and maybe there any executives are. Actually, I never know. It's not me, I did the Abuya, and I tried to go out, and I tried to go out. So, if in the latter area, send a bad and come. And the door, a bit with him. Now, so more money, chairman, one of them was a that. So, the back of the Sammy Banker, and the Boga Banker, and come near, not tell my brother, also coming on it. In the banker, for the baby. And then the bear man. Latter area for Nico. Some kind of war executive channel, Castle Barnea. Same meeting, people might be banning, I'm baby. Go! Value. For I'm the woman, I'm the bar. The time with the teacher at Pano, the time with the Pagoyo, the time with the Philippines, the time with the Amon, and Bufia. Papa, I do Abbey. The Summer Council, I'm paying it. So people are not Bella. Come on, every great time of play them a meeting. No, what about Bella? If you ever to go 4 years for another Tokyo. Nemo said, or Quaker every day town. So, then, Chelsea, no better party and is the interesting. Or as a how, or how, as I said, the woman I have a meeting. Okay, what every yell, no more Giovannia, water, woman ocean over there, and a 2 plus new. You tell it to little Lamia, but what a water Giovannia, we just a getting member, ever 3 meetings go bed, never 3 or other to number better. Your best opposition, our engineer, there is no way it will make English electoral area be sick. If you use Giovannia, Chairman. What can it do? Soka. Ready from an apology. It's for prayer. It's for prayer. No, there is no way to not wait. What are we taking? They're good and in the bridge of it. I'm a secretary of the balance room. Never please, I'm. Never was the word in the money. I have a 10 minutes in war bed. Never will to bring out it. Never get to our business. And that's what's our business. Make the message. Match them to connect most of the English area. Since Wakani, men and no sanity. It's a woman, it's a country, none and no sanity. Tubania, and your time of prayer, register, offering. Chairman says a walk, and they know you work in the summer council. Name for couple funny. Tubania, never chasing, name up work and yana. Besides, any name in the Brabanaka. What was the something grab banker or grab the chip mobile about there now. But all the time, a little banner at the cabana, chairman the bell, then to the bell, couple the bell, nothing over. Basic, Now I'm ready. You go in, but one was I'm fine, and they could be one and the man one now. Men could be talking as one name was the same. Well, I'm your bomb, my dear, I'm there, then you now. What when we tell us all this year? You would.
TV. Experience the thrill of TV.